Dear students of class 9, I think you have already read all previous portions. Now we are going to read ahead. So the question is, what is a constitution? You know that constitution is a set of rules. And next question is, what is the constituent assembly? You know that Constituent Assembly has drafted Indian Constitution, and you also know that chairman of Constituent Assembly was Dr. Rajendra Prasad, and the chairman of Constituent Drafting Committee was Dr. Bhim Rao Ambedkar. So look, definition of Constituent Assembly. Look here, page number 46, last paragraph. The drafting of the document matlab ब्यौरा, called the constitution was done by an assembly of elected representative, चुने हुए लोगों के द्वारा, called the constituent assembly. So this is definition of constituent assembly. And you will get a question that election of this assembly was, when the election of this assembly, constituent assembly were held, you will answer that elections to the constituent assembly were held in July 1946. Its first meeting was held in December 1946. When was its first meeting held? Then your answer will be in 1946. And you know that after 1946, India was divided into India and Pakistan. The Constituent Assembly was also divided into Constituent Assembly of India and that of Pakistan. You know about the division of India and Pakistan, but you do not know that the Constituent Assembly was also divided, the Constituent Assembly of India and the Constituent Assembly of Pakistan. The Assembly adopted the Constitution on 26 November 1949. You know that Britishers have claimed that if India will make the Constitution, they will leave the country. So our Constitution makers adopted. The Constitution was completed on 26 November 1949, but it came into effect on 26 January 1950. And here is a question: why the Constitution came in practice in 26 January 1950? 26 January, why this date was chosen? You see here, page number 46. To mark this day, 26 January, we celebrate January 26th as the Republic Day every year. To mark this day, because this day first time about independence was discussed. And now, my dear students, you will get question of 5 marks. So you will come here on page number 47 and you will write about Constituent Assembly. Look here, this side. The Constituent Assembly worked in a mannered, systematic and consensual manner. All the makers of the Constitution have done this work systematic way. So you can see open, not discussions were held openly, and there were debates on every point. Some basic principles were decided and agreed upon. They decide and they agree. After discussion, they agreed. Then a drafting commission. I have told you that chairman of drafting committee was Dr. Bhim Rao Ambedkar. Prepared a draft constitution for discussion. Who has prepared draft? Rough idea, Dr. Bhim Rao Ambedkar. Several rounds of thorough discussion took place on the draft constitution. So the constitution, you know that was made in 2 years, near about 3 years. So how many discussions were took place? Every articles, every clause by clause were discussed. More than 2000 amendments were considered. Amendment सुधार किए गए. More than 2000. The members deliberated for 114 days. 114 दिनों तक की बहस हुई. Spread over 3 years. The constitution took time near about 3 years. Every document presented and every word spoken in the Constitution Assembly has been recorded and preserved. All words were preserved and discussed. When printed, you will get a question. What are called Constituent Assembly debates? What are called Constituent Assembly debates? You will write, when printed, these debates are put into 12 bulky volumes. These debates provide the rationale behind every provision, and these are called Constituent Assembly debates because they were kept there to preserve. These are used to interpret the meaning of the Constitution, and these volumes interpret the meaning of our Constitution. So you will get what define Constituent Assembly, the drafting of the Constitution. Write a short note on Constitution, Constituent Assembly. You will write these things. You will start from page number 46. I have written the answer. You will see there, and you will end in page number 47. And here you will get a question. Why should we accept a constitution made by this assembly more than 50 years ago? 70 years ago, you can say that 70 years ago the Constituent Assembly had made the constitution, but why should we accept this? The reason is here, page number 46, you see. First reason is that it was not a mere piece of paper. The experience of our constituent is different. This is an unusual achievement for any constitution that after 70 years people accept this, because here, why should be second paragraph, page number 46, why should we accept the constitution made by this assembly more than 50 years ago? The answer is, the constitution does not reflect the views of its member alone. It expresses a broad consensus of its time. It is not merely a paper. And the second reason for accepting the constitution is that the Constituent Assembly represented the people of India. The Constituent Assembly were working for whom? For whom they were making constitution? The people of India. And finally, the manner in which the Constituent Assembly work gives sanctity to the Constitution. इसको वैधता प्रदान करता है. Sanctity means वैधता प्रदान करता है. So these things, they are three answers of this Constitution. And one more question I am going to discuss you. The question is, how can we learn the philosophy of this Constitution? Then you will write that we can learn the philosophy of this Constitution in two ways. Page number 47, Guiding Values of the Indian Constitution. How can we understand the overall philosophy of our Constitution? We can do this in two ways. We can understand it by reading the views of major leaders on our Constitution. You see the pictures, they have given the view about the Constitution. And second thing, we will read what the Constitution says about its own philosophy. So these things you will read Indian constitution is very important. Our country is guided with this constitution. Please remember it, understand it. Twice or thrice you read the chapter, you will get the question answer also. Thank you, my dear.